Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a talking avatar for your videos that sounds like this.
Welcome to this video news template. Create videos to report breaking news. The video starts here. Add your channel's logo and improve the identity of your channel. Tell key information, including who, what, when, where, and why of the story. Use clear and concise language and keep the content brief. This is the video ending. Add your channel ID.
So as you can see that in this video I'm going to show you how to use this software to create these kind of videos, guys. Okay, this is the best software that you can use to use these AI talking avatars, guys. Okay, the name of this software is Vidnow's AI. Remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get started using Vidnow's AI, guys. So, okay, so what you can do actually here, guys, okay, when you click here to home, Vidnow's AI, it has so many AI avatars that you can use, and also they offer so many templates, okay, that you can choose from based on the project that you want to use. For example, for this one, it has 442 AI talking avatars templates that you can choose. Let's say that there's YouTube videos for AI news channel, you can use this one, guys. Okay, or let's say that you can use this one maybe for videos, maybe for YouTube videos. You want to create a first YouTube videos, you can use these avatars. Let's give it some time, it is loading. As you can see that for this one they have 434 AI talking avatars that you can just use and get started. And that's what I like about this software, is that it is free. You can also use this software for free, but they also have some of the upgrades that you can upgrade using this software, guys. Okay, so what you are seeing here, these are some of the AI avatars that you can use right away. Let me pause the video. I'm gonna come back when this is done loading. Okay, so it is done loading. So what you can do here, you can also preview some of these avatars that you want to use. But let's say that you want to use this one, you can just click here and preview it. Let's see how does it sound. Let's give it some time to load it up. This is medicine cells. Okay, let's give it some time to load it up. I don't know why my internet connection is so slow. I don't know why. Okay, let's see.
Vidnow's AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So what you can do, guys, you can just click here to generate this video with this AI avatar. If let's say that you want to use this video for YouTube videos, you can just click here. This is good for landscape, for portrait. This is good for social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Pinterest Reels. You can use this one, but this video I'm gonna use it for YouTube videos. I'm just gonna click here to generate. So is what is gonna happen now. This software is gonna allow me to paste my own text here, and also you can also upload your own voice with this software. So let's gonna go to ChatGPT, because when I use ChatGPT to give us a script that we'll be using from Vidnow's AI. So I'll be asking ChatGPT to write for me a script. My internet connection, guys, it is so slow. So here with ChatGPT, I'm just gonna take some of the content that was written by ChatGPT. I'm just gonna copy this, because this is the one that we'll be using from Vidnow's AI. I'm just gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna copy here from ChatGPT. Like, you can use any AI content writer, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to Vidnow's AI. After this, as you can see that this is whereby that with Vidnow's AI you can write anything that you want to write, or you can paste the content that you took from ChatGPT, or you can delete this one. I'm gonna delete here, and then after that I'm gonna paste the content that I took from ChatGPT. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna try and paste the content here, and then you can also upload your own voice. Okay, from Vidnow's AI, you can also upload your own voice. You can also choose the voice, the female voice here. You can also do some customization based on the speaking rate, but leave it like default. You can also add some subtitles. Okay, you can, when you're done, you can just click here to generate. I'm just gonna click here to generate. So Vidnow's AI is gonna generate this video. I'll come back when it's done. So this is the video. Let's play. I'm just gonna click here and let's play the video. Why my internet connection?
Design AI avatars to function as virtual assistants, capable of handling tasks like customer support, appointment scheduling, or information retrieval. Provide virtual assistant services to businesses or individuals.
So what you can do, you can just click here to download. It's going to be downloaded straight on your laptop or on your PC. So let me show you some of the features that comes with this software. So what you can do here, you can just click here to clone voice, meaning that you can also clone your own voice here with this software. So this is the good feature about this software, guys. Okay, you can able to clone your voice. I'm gonna show you how you can able to do that using VidNAS. Just click here to clone your own voice. You have to upload your own voice, and then let me show you some of the AI voices that comes with this software. As you can see that there are so many AI voices that comes with VidNAS AI, guys. Okay, let me just play some of this voice.
VidNAS AI brings your idea to high quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
As you can see that it sounds very, very good. For look,
VidNAS AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
It's so amazing. And then let's see for Kim from, I think, Netherlands. No, from Australia.
VidNAS AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So you get the point, guys. Okay, as you can see that not only English, guys, but with multiple languages. When you click here, you can able to choose any language that you want to use VidNAS for, guys. Okay, and also you can also change the AI voice, the female or the male voices. You can do that. And also for the videos that you created, just go here to my creation. So under my creation, this is whereby that you can able to get an access with the videos that you already created. So far I already created 9 videos, guys. Okay, so this is how, guys, you can use the VidNAS AI. So if you want to get an access with VidNAS AI, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get an access with VidNAS AI. So let me just preview some of these videos. I'm just gonna click here and preview.
Welcome to this video template. Create videos to report the latest news. Now, paste an informative script and tell people the story. Then, import and edit your footage. Here you can add your channel ID and ask people.
So this is some of the good things that comes with VidNAS AI, guys. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.